Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up direct deposit in Aspiration. If you don't have an Aspiration account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and receive a welcome bonus of up to $300. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Direct Deposit. Now, at the middle part of the screen, you will see an option for Download a Direct Deposit Form. Click on Download a Direct Deposit Form. Then you can now create a direct deposit form. First, enter your employer name. Next, select the account from where your paycheck will be deposited. Then choose how much of each paycheck, either net pay, a percentage, or a flat amount. After that, click on the Create Deposit Form button. Lastly, a pop-up message will appear and you will see a button for Download Deposit Form. Click on Download Deposit Form. Once downloaded, sign and date your form. Then give it to your employer, and start receiving your paychecks in your Aspiration account. That's how you set up direct deposit in Aspiration. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.